How to remove another account from Instagram, or how to remove an account on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove the another account that is signed in on your Instagram app. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to simply open up Instagram and you want to log out the particular account that you are logged in on. You can simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down below and simply tap on log out of all account option, and simply tap on log out and you'll get logged out from every account. Once you're logged out, now you can see I have 3 different accounts here. You want to simply, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then simply select the particular account that you wish to remove. Once you tap on it, you'll get the remove profile option. Simply tap on remove profile and this account will get removed from your app, from your device as well. So this way you can remove another account on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.